Hi Valley Ranch, this is Leanne. I am not at your staff meeting today. I'm at Denton Creek doing a seesaw training, but I wanted to show you how the swivels work. So as I move, I have a little controller here, and the swivel is rotating with me to keep up with where I'm at. So quickly, just a couple of things I want to cover in your staff meeting today. I'm going to go over some digital tools. Google Research, Google Voice, Pen Pal Schools, and the TCA handouts, and possibly some other information. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is Google Research. This is something that you can use in a doc, and you also have to be in Chrome. You can go to Tools, click on Research, and it'll pull up research-specific items for the kiddos, and it will also insert their bibliography information also. I will send you a link to this presentation, and you can watch this quick little video that I have here for you guys to watch how Google Research works. It's pretty cool, especially for upper grade levels. Try it out. So my next tool is Google Voice. This is fantastic, especially for our littler kiddos. Again, when you're in a Google Doc, go to Google Tools, and then click on Voice Typing, and you can record your voice, and it will type out the words that you say. If you're using it on your iPad, touch the microphone button on your keyboard, and it will also record your voice and put the words, type it out the words for you. Play with that one. There's a video here also, so watch this video if you want. The next thing I want to share with you guys is Pen Pal Schools, and Pen Pal Schools is fantastic. It allows you to connect with different schools across the world, across the globe. Everything is in English. You can start with the kiddos about the age of 7 and 8 and go all the way up higher. It connects you with schools. You can talk about global issues. So if you want to talk about the politics, if you want to talk about other issues that are happening across the globe, you can totally do that, and it's fun. I met the founder at TCA back in February, and it's a fantastic program, and it's free, so nothing better than that. The next thing I want to share with you guys is Epic Books and Mozilla. And Epic Books is free for educators. You can create an account. There's an app and a web version. I have web links here in the slides for you guys. And you can provide your kids digital books, and there's also audio books in here. The second part of this is Mozilla, and you can go to find current events that are at your learners' grade level or reading levels. So check those out also. Videos and web links here for you. Okay, so on this last slide are some of the opportunities that the DLCs have coming up for you guys for professional learning. We currently have our Spring App Challenge here for Valley Ranch and for Pinkerton. I have extended that date to March 25th. So if you have not done it yet, but you're curious about learning new apps or smashing apps together, you can go to the Schoology course. If you need that information, send me a quick email and I will send that out to you. If you complete the app challenge that I have created for you guys, then you can either get 1 hour of flex credit or you can earn a jeans pass. So if you have your flex credit, fantastic, and you can get a jeans pass. The second thing that we have going on through the DLCs is the implementation challenge. That is also in our DLC PL course in Schoology. That also ends on March 25th. The blogging challenge is still going on. It's close to wrapping up. You have about another 3 weeks left to complete that. It ends around the 1st of April. We have 2 more Twitter chats coming up. We have one on April 5th and one on May 3rd. If you have not been on a DLC Twitter chat, it is definitely worth your time to check out. You don't necessarily have to participate. You can kind of lurk around and just watch it and see how it goes. Watch for those emails. They are, you learn a lot from those. The last one was about math, and Mary Kemper hosted it. It was fantastic. And then we have our last face-to-face opportunity coming up, and that is our designer showcase, and that'll be on April 19th. So again, I made this quick 4-minute and 30-second video using Swivl. It's fun, it's easy. All I used is my iPad and the little Swivl robot, and I have this little tracker, and as I move my hands, the tracker, you can't see it, but the tracker is following me. I'm in Miss Bowles' room doing this, and she sees it, and she thinks it is fantastic, and she has already volunteered to be my first person to use Swivl in her classroom. Yay! So, have fun. I am at Denton Creek this afternoon doing seesaw training. If you have any questions about seesaw, make sure you get in touch with me. I am here all week at Valley Ranch, And I hope you guys have a fantastic afternoon, a great open house, and a super fantastic spring break. See ya!